So tell me now, why are you flipping the boat?
So where these panels come together,
Uh-huh.
there's 2 layers of fiberglass tape. It's called a chine. So from here on down to the center of the boat, none of that tape has been applied because the boat has been right side up and there's no access to it. So the idea is to roll the boat, finish the bottom, and then roll it back.
And then when does it go in the water? You laugh. But it will eventually.
It will eventually. See, when you put the tape on, it sits up, it's called proud, it sits up above the plywood, so this has to be filled like I've started here. So it has to be faired, and it's easier to do it if this is more horizontal rather than vertical. It has to store up against this wall.
How come the building jig has to come out?
Because it won't fit the boat while the boat is upside down.
Okay. So you're going to turn it part way and then remove it?
Yes.
Got
I'm
it.
going to lift it, and then we'll pull it out, and then we'll probably lower the boat closer to the floor so it doesn't have as much room to fall if there's a problem.
Right.
Get here, they're on the way. But, so our goal today is to roll this boat over safely, slowly, without hurting the boat and without hurting any people. So it's about like half the weight of a Chevy Nova. So if half of a Chevy Nova fell on you, you would be hurting. So we want to be very careful. What we're going to do is we're going to raise the boat up a few inches off of the building cradle. And then we're going to use these pry bars, one on each side. And we're going to have somebody lift up here and pull these rollers out on the other side. So we'll have one of these pry bars here, and there's another one on the table for the other side. So I need to
just on these
and this one and this one and on back. And then, so after those are out, we'll lift the boat up again, and then we'll tighten these safety lines. These are just to hold the boat in case it lean up against the table, and then we're going to lift it on top of the table and push it up against that wall.
The boat or the
Cradle.
Yeah, the boat.
And so I have lines here to pull it out, so I don't want anybody to get under the boat at any time. Nobody except me. There is a first one to pass out. Okay. So after we get the cradle stowed, we'll probably lower the boat closer to the ground so it doesn't have very far to fall. And then people will be holding on to these sidelines here just to stabilize the boat. And then the person holding this rope will actually start the roll. It's going to roll in this direction. And it's going to be really slow and support the back end of the boat. Okay.
Wait for your commands though?
Yeah, okay, take the third one out.
Ready for the third?
You might have to move out. Okay,
Oh.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go with this one.
okay, let it down. Okay,
Nice job.
come on back.
Yeah.
Go up 2 clicks.
I just taste my horse. The horse is.
Okay, is the boat stable sideways? Let's rock it back and forth a little bit. Is it taking much force to move it?
No.
No.
Okay, so let's keep it. 2 more.
I think so.
Up 2 clicks on the bow.
You're doing 4 to his 2.
Okay, people need to get out from behind the table. Okay, now we're going to have to get people along.
Okay. Lift again?
Yeah, if we can get up a little bit more, that would be good. Watch your fingers.
Which one you're going to start moving it?
Just steady, Jason.
One click at a time.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna just be one click at a time.
Yeah. Okay, we're rolling.
Aren't you gonna hit the top?
We don't know, we're gonna look.
Hopefully not.
Well, from here you are.
Dean,
We're gonna have to lower it, Dean.
Dean, you're hitting things.
Okay, we're gonna lower it.
Down.
You've got as much as you.
Yeah, stop for a second. Stop.
You look good on the top, Dean. It's gonna go.
Yeah. It's okay over here.
Is it gonna catch on
Jack, go up
the
slowly.
extension cord?
Jack it up.
Jack it up.
Don't think that's gonna catch it even at this stage.
Still rolling or not? Yes?
It's touching the floor, so we can.
Well, listen to it creak. Creaking. Are you rolling or what?
Yeah, let's try to
No,
roll
you're clear
through
now,
now.
you're gonna clear the bottom. Those pipes are clear now.
Nicely done!
And we're watching.
Let's slowly.
Okay, Dean, your safety line is loading up here.
Okay,
So-
let's slack off the safety lines a little bit.
Why is it loading up?
It's probably cockeyed in there is my guess.
The shape different.
That's the only,
It looks pretty.
well, it could be.
Ah,
Nice! Oh, look at that. Oh my God, even fits.
It worked. I say good roll.
Don't scare it.
elbow be rolled.
Off the ground there, and then he's got a couple of stands in the back.
That's enough to support.
That's like a piece of garbage. I mean, it looks like broken pallet.
How's that?
It's gonna come back to you, Dean.
Okay.
Someone's pushing
That was pretty good.
That's pretty
Right there.
That's pretty good. That's
Yeah.
pretty good. No.
I hear what you're saying, Brennan.
I was just wondering if it's angled
seems
the right way.
angled.
So does the slope go that way, or is it supposed to go
Boat's
that
still
way?
sloped toward you.
Yeah. Oh, it's turned the right way.
Okay, so it's supposed to slope.
Yeah,
There's a
That's gonna lean down
There's a
like
4-degree slope there.
that way.
So this sitting on this will make the boat level.
I trust you.
Okay.
To rock up, kick it up there at all.
And does it look like it's clearing the combing of the hatch? Is it far enough forward?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Jack, let's go down.
Okay, coming down.
That we don't want to spin that thing around.
Well, we're not.
Where the tall end would go here.
I think the stern is a little high.
Yeah.
Don't we want to have contact on the.
Okay, I'll wait. I think he's double rigged.
No, you're about
6 inches.
yeah.
Okay.
Looks like this
Maybe
safety
it
line
does.
is taking weight.
Because the cow's gonna have to be a little lower because of the slope there. Yeah.
Some of that styrofoam stuff.
Still got about 4 inches.
I think it's gonna be destroyed.
10 centimeters.
More clicking them in to take off the safety line.
He lowered that. This was
Kind of
completely
a trial
flat.
by
Yeah,
fire.
take your
Okay.
little on that.
They're going up on the bow a little bit.
Yeah, right?
Oh,